This 30 US dollar no deposit bonus is available for the following countries: Malaysia, China, India, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, Philippines, Vietnam, and probably just you. And if you guys love this type of no deposit bonus videos, make sure to hit the thumb up of this video, and also maybe subscribe if you feel like you're interested in this type of videos, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly how to receive this 30 USD no deposit bonus fast, and how to register on this website, and what are the rules and all the requirements needed. As you can see right here, I'm gonna show you something that says the bonus is valid for only 40 days. The bonus and profits will be cancelled if you exceed those days, and also you can withdraw a minimum of 100 US dollar and a maximum of 200 USD with a lot size trading needed, which is 5 lots. And before we go further, guys, make sure to join our Telegram channel here, where we drop some information that you really needed, the information about no deposit bonuses, and also some signals and all trading materials that can help you become one of the profitable trader. And just come stay here, guys, come do something on a group, just come check it out. The information is there for you for free. And make sure that you also subscribe to our channel in appreciation of our content, because we won't really grow if you are not giving us the type of assistance. And before we go further, guys, let's just go straight and dive deep on how to get the 30 USD no deposit bonuses that I've just promised you right now in this video. This 30 US dollar no deposit bonus, guys, is offered by the M Trading. As you can see, it's an M Trading platform on trading broker that allows you to register and get your 30 USD no deposit bonuses, guys. And it's very simple, just like this. And as you can see, all you have to do, just click here, register with an email address or whatever you want I use for registration, but probably an email is better. I'm gonna just register right away straight, and now I'm going to click register button here, and probably my phone number is being asked here, and also my name. And guys, once you're done registering this, let me just fill up my information and show you exactly what you have to do after this type of information. And because my country, guys, is not allowed to get this no deposit bonus, I just want to show something on the terms and condition, reading for you something before you just register with your email address on this type of a broker, guys. So you can see no deposit bonus, no deposit required, all profit and can be withdrawn. Like I've told you, that the minimum is 100 and also the maximum is 200 USD. Trade bonus amount to increase your skill. And also, as you can see right now, I'm just gonna show you the steps. All you have to do, sign up or log in and sign up to trading and open a live account, M Premium account. Finish registration, upload documents, and get your profile verified as usual, and contact via email for terms and conditions, or you see a terms and conditions bonus received. Now you can use it for trading, guys. And as you can see, there are a few frequently asked questions that you can also come here and check out yourself, guys. You can where can I find the contact email received and other information. But before we go all those things, let's just click on the terms and conditions, read them straight to you. And I'm also going to drop this probably on our Telegram channel, guys. Maybe just get our Telegram channel link down on the video description, go straight to the Telegram, and just come read the terms and conditions that are gonna drop there just after the video is uploaded, guys. And before you go further, make sure that you subscribe and also hit the bell icon, and make sure also that you thumb up this video in appreciation. And see you again in the next video. If you have got any question, say it on the comment discussion.